What's going on, guys? Wow, this is such a nice, beautiful Tuesday morning. I'm just gonna casually vlog my day and just see where that takes me. The absolute first thing that I have to do today is the gym. I gotta work out. Been slacking a little bit, as you can see, but I'm about to go hard right now. The shitty thing is usually I go way earlier. I go at like 8, 7:30 in the morning, and it's decently empty. Right now it's like 10, 10:30, so it's gonna be packed. So I might just run in there and just do some quick arms and walk out. You know those. The gym is all of like 18 steps away from my house, so I'm pretty much there already. So I'm gonna work out real quick. I'm gonna hit you guys up when I'm done. All right, so that was actually a really good workout. I'm feeling mad pumped up right now. For the last little bit, I haven't been going as hard. I don't know, I just not quite slacking, just not caring as much. But I'm going on vacation in a few weeks, and just like most people, when you're getting prepped for a vacation, you all of a sudden just start going way harder with your body, and that's me right now. So I'm not even going somewhere where I'm gonna be shirtless and shit. I just like, I don't know, I just gotta get prepped. I don't even know if I wanna expose yet where I'm going, because it's not yet booked, but we're booking it today. So let's hope, fingers crossed, we get that done. But I will tell you, it is Canada, and it's somewhere far, far east. I'm kind of cheesed the gym is so close right now, because days like this, I just want to keep walking, you know? But like, I walk 3 minutes and I'm home already. So I don't know, I might take a nice shower, throw some clothes on, and just go for a walk. Also, the boy Ryan Sways is over. He's at my house. He's staying for another probably day or two. As you guys know, I am still very, very obsessed with Pokemon Go. Probably even more so than before. When I'm going to the gym, I always like circle the block a few times, because it's just like, I'm trying to get these kilometers. I'm about to walk into my house right now, and watch when you see the lighting difference from out here to in the house. I hate it. We need to work on getting some new lights. Yeah, check this out. Yeah, like look at this, guys. Look how shitty this is. You can't even see me. I'm too dark skinned to be living in this house. Look at it. Oh, there's Ryan Sways.
What's good?
Told you the boys here, gang.
Hey, gang.
But yeah, guys, like I have to stand literally right in front of the window to get good lighting in this bitch. It's like the boy Ryan Sways is getting a little turnt last night. The fridge is looking pretty empty, so we might hit up Costco, we might hit up Loblaws, I'm not sure yet. Jad's just going to get a haircut right now. He'll be back, Sean's gonna be back soon, and then we're gonna get the day going. So I don't know where this came from, but someone made the mistake of leaving this in my base. I woke up and it's just here. So someone snapped. Apparently, you said it was Bongo, eh?
Yeah, it's Bongo, shout out to Jad.
Oh, congratulations, boys. You done played yourself, because do not leave chocolate around me. This will be gone in the next 10 minutes. Yeah, you know what's funny? Like when we first moved in here, I came outside in the backyard and I looked around and I'm like, look at all this potential. I had all these ideas. Like I'm like, yo, I'm gonna rip out all the weeds. I'm gonna get this hose and just spray down the place, get some nice grass, maybe plant some vegetables. And none of that happened. We were supposed to get like seating, we were supposed to get a barbecue, but we just slacked. And I don't know, we just absolutely did not end up doing it. I mean, it's not completely too late, but it's pretty much too late. It's definitely way too late for any gardening of any sort. We did just get a brand new shisha. I might be down to still get a little bit of like seating, maybe just some chairs, set up the shisha out here and just kick back. So we just threw our first house party last weekend, and it was pretty successful. Like it wasn't a crazy house party. Like I want to throw a real nice rager. The first one I just invited like the people I know, you know, close friends. There's maybe like 15 people. Might not have even been that many people. Some shit went down. I don't know what happened or how this happened, but there was a mantelpiece here, right? You see this fireplace? And I think someone just like put their elbow on it and just rested on it, and it just broke down. Poor globe was on it and it just didn't make it. I'm kind of chased. Hopefully our landlord doesn't watch my vlogs, but if he does, sorry bro, I got you next month. I should be drinking my protein, but I'm just gonna kick back a little bit. And yo guys, like I know I showed you guys about that air shoe shit, what it's called, air shoe, the thing that records your screen, right? I'm trying to use that to get these Pokemon Go videos popping for you guys. But you've been seeing, last time I tried, it didn't work. And I was so cheesed. I just tried again. I wasn't vlogging while I was screen recording, because last time I did that and I had to throw away like 10 minutes of footage, but I was screen recording. So I have it right here. I'm gonna check it out. Check it out with me. Let's see if it worked. So last time it did get this far. Like one of these ones are the ones that I tried last time and it didn't work. So this is the one that I just did just now. Let's see if it worked. Okay. So as you can fucking see, it's frozen. It's frozen. A minute in, it's frozen. And you know the worst part? I can hear it. I can hear myself. Like I just heard the door close. So for some reason records the audio, but it doesn't record anything else. Yo, I'm vexed. See, good thing I didn't waste my goddamn time. I'm gonna figure this out, and when I do, you guys are gonna get such a dope Pokemon Go video because you know what? I've been saving up some serious shit in that game. Like, there's shit that I want to do so bad, like certain guys that I want to evolve so bad, and I'm just like waiting it out, and eggs that I want to hatch. But I'm just waiting it out because I want to like do them all in one crazy video and drop it. But it's got to be good quality. I don't want to do it like the other videos where I'm like recording my screen or whatever. I'm trying to, you know, work on the body, work on the health. And I just got these multivitamins. I didn't just get them, I just literally found them in the cupboard. I don't know whose they are. But I just grabbed one to eat. You know how some vitamins, you can crunch them up and they're delicious, like tastes like some Flintstone shits? I thought they were like the Flintstone vitamins because they kind of look like it, and now my mouth is on, like, this is disgusting. This is actually disgusting. I don't know why I did that. All right, so I'm about to go to Costco right now. You know, I was gonna fake you guys out like that, but honestly, I went. I already did all the grocery shopping, and and I straight up didn't vlog it, but here I am now, and I got a bunch of food, and I'll show you what we got. Let's go, let's go. We got so much shit. Elijah, are you ready to munch, fam?
Bro, I'm not even gonna front like I went on this Costco trip. I came back and they blessed me.
Yeah,
so
we bless you. Sean, are you ready?
Bro, I can't wait.
Oh yeah, Nutrigrain. This I'm so ready for because you know I'm a chocolate man. Man, snack game on deck. Snack game just turned up.
The Jane's chicken fingers?
Yeah, the Jane's chicken fingers.
Lit.
They're so blessed. What else do we get, bro? We got some English muffins. These are so dope for breakfast.
Also, yo, taquitos.
Oh, taquitos too. Those are even
loud.
bang for lunchtime.
Bagels.
I'm so hungry, and all of that food laid out there. I'm just gonna pick one of them and make it. I think I'm gonna make some pasta. I think I'm gonna do that. When we just pulled up to the house, this big ass box was there, and I'm pretty sure I have a decent idea of what it is.
Bro, and they're always for Sean.
Yeah, always Sean. Always. We don't order shit.
You're from the hood, right? You know how to wrap these?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay.
I got you. Are you trying to? What's going on with your hair? Nothing? Or
No, I'm just trying to join a
Oh, you're just okay.
Oh.
Yeah, I have like 4 of those too.
Okay, cool. Do you have a red one?
I do.
Alright.
Big head, big move. So yeah, we don't really order things very often. I think the last thing we ordered was some lights for the house because I've been showing you even in this vlog how shitty the lighting is in here. So we got another pair of lights. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Let's see. Non-dimmable, a lie? And we made sure to get mad toilet paper for when things get shitty, you know? Alright, so usually when we go to Costco, we get this energy drink called Red Rave. And it comes in this big old Dutty pack, like 25 Red Raves for like 15 beans or something. Like,
And they give you like a bonus of 10.
literally, like, it's just an unnecessary amount, right? But we're stocked up when we get that. We do a lot of work in here, you know, we need to up our energy levels sometimes. Coffee is a little bit, you know, of a hassle to make sometimes, right? And you don't always want to have a hot cup of coffee at like 6 p.m. They didn't have Red Rave at Costco. We're trying out this new shit right here. It's a V8 energy drink. Pomegranate blueberry.
Get a taste.
Lukewarm to begin with. Yo, it tastes like juice.
What?
It doesn't even have like,
Does it have that fizzy energy?
no, it doesn't have carbonation at
That's what I
all.
liked about it. I didn't like
I'm down.
to look so
But
different.
the fizzy carbonation gives you that placebo.
It makes you,
Yeah,
exactly.
that
It makes you
placebo.
feel like, woo, like I'm actually getting energy. Yeah, this just tastes like a drink.
You almost ready for the Itchy Mom music video remake?
Stop.
Itchy Mom!
Busted out the shisha stuff because I'm just fiending a shisha session. So that's what we're gonna do. Yo, I'm so proud of myself being able to say shisha. See, now I just jinxed it. I said it perfectly the first time. Shisha session. Shisha session. Shisha. If you guys can say shisha session 3 times fast.
Session.
Yeah.
Shisha session. Shisha session. Shisha.
Congratulations.
Awesome.
Shisha session.
Congratulations.
Shisha session. Yeah, you're right.
Wait, congratulations.
Get 10 times fast, Mr. David Parody in here.
Facts.
Shisha session.
Bro, his face is always like, she's a session, Caesar session, she's a session, Caesar session, Caesar.
I guess you've seen part 98 right now.
Bro, I've seen, yeah. Roast. Alright, it's looking brighter in here already, boys. Damn. Ooh. That quadruple light.
Quad. We're usually with
quad.
One light ain't good enough.
That's bless. Okay. This is that booking info in my bio starter pack right here.
Oh my god. Baby.
I love that.
I love that.
Guys, trying to dislocate his shoulder next.
Alright guys, so today's been pretty turnt, not gonna lie.
Alright, so I'm gonna build this shisha right now. Let's get it.
At least $30. I would say 20. But man, if you guys tell me hook to your vlogs, that means a lot.
I'm living life right now. Check this out. God damn. You know I was telling you about our trip that we're gonna go on in a few weeks? We're just gonna go ahead and book it. Should we tell them where we're going?
For sure.
Not yet.
Not yet?
Oh, not yet?
Oh.
Actually, why not?
Why not? Alright, so we are going to the east end of Canada. We're hitting up Halifax. Halifax. So if any of you guys live in Halifax, let me know in the comments down below. Or maybe we'll hit up a mall, do a little meet and greet.
Why the fuck's it take so long to get there?
What? How long?
It's fucking 11 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, chill.
1 hour
2 hours.
and 50
Bro, I'm a
minutes.
goof. You know what I was looking at? Bro, that's amazing. Get
2
there.
hours?
Isn't that amazing? No rush to dip.
Yeah, that's it.
But
But
I
I'd
like
rather get there earlier. Yeah.
Guys, we're so excited right now because I think we just booked the flights and the Airbnb. The thing about Airbnb though is you have to request the place. You don't just click it and get it. So we requested it. We're just gotta wait and see. It's gonna be nerve-wracking waiting. I'm pretty sure Ryan and Charlie are gonna come over in a bit. We got Bongo here. So we're all gonna just kick back. Maybe I'll slap these guys and chill. We'll see.
Shut the fuck up, DJ!
I wanna thank you guys so much for watching yet another vlog. And until next time, guys, don't sleep, fam.